Meaning of flatbed.
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 Flatbed. Flatbed refers to a type of truck or trailer that has an open platform with no sides or roof. It is commonly used to transport goods, equipment and heavy machinery that cannot fit inside enclosed trucks. The large and versatile platform provides easy access for loading and unloading cargo from any angle. Flatbeds are often utilized in the construction, agriculture, and shipping industries. They are also popular among DIY enthusiasts who use them to move furniture and other oversized items. Overall, flatbeds offer a flexible and efficient transportation solution for a wide range of needs.